So this one says there are two different species of deer that are housed in two separate areas of a wildlife park. The initial population A, okay, we'll do that in green, was 300 and it increased by 15% each year. While on the other hand, the initial population for B was 400 and that increased 7% per year. So we've got two equations. The first one is y is equal to 300 times 1.15 raised to the x. And then b, we have y is equal to the initial condition of 400 times 1 plus 0.07, which is 1.07% raised to the x. So we got to graph this because it's gonna, it says use the given information to determine when the two species have the same population. After so many years, the populations of the two species will be approximately so many deer. So we just got to graph this. So I'm going to clear this out. And that is 300 times 1.15, close the parentheses, raised to the x. And then the other one is 400 times 1.07, close parentheses, raised to the x. And I've got to zoom way out because it's going to be way up here. So, holy moly. So I'm going to use a little trick here. I know that it's got to be at least, it's going to be, the y-axis will be between 300 and 400. So I'm going to say 295 to, I don't know, 450. And we'll say 600. And then my x-axis is not going to be very big at all. So I'm going to zoom that out to about 0. And it's not going to be 354 years before that takes place. So I think it's going to be about 5 or 6. So I'll just make it 10 years. All right, there it is. Boom. Now across, it looks like it might cross to the left. It's possible, but those are negative x values, and we're not worried about negative time. So this is where I'm going to zoom in at. I'm just going to click on it, see where it crosses. So it seems like it would be about 3 years. And around 3 years, it'd be about 524 deer, or 4 years. So let's paste that there. I'm just graphing both of those. Did I do it again? I don't know if the green is the green one and the blue is the blue. It doesn't matter. So anyways, after about 4 years, we'll just round this up. So we'll round this to 4 and we'll round this to 524. You can't even make out what that says. And that's it on that one.